glad
You
to
have a
be here.
GoPro on your neck.
Yes.
So you're gonna have it on the whole week.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Great.
Boat.
Yeah, it's a boat. Very leaky boat.
And what it will be?
Beetle.
Nice.
He's not finished. He's going to have loads more bits on his face. Yeah. He's getting the dung beetle, so he's pushing that big thing.
Beautiful.
Loads more stuff. And his mandibles go around.
Да, там веревка соскочила в одном месте, даже в двух. Угу.
Same thing you make baskets with, but it's a very cheap version. So we can buy lots of it at the same time.
Yeah, but I think in Italy we don't have so much because usually you use a material that you have around because
yeah.
it is cheaper to find.
But you could use bamboo,
Yeah,
split bamboo.
I
or
can
you
find
could
something
use,
like that. Yeah.
Or rattan, you know, like
Rattan.
rattan is like what people make chairs out of.
Yeah,
Same-
yeah. Okay.
same thing.
Rattan, Okay.
You know.
Yeah,
This is well, right?
Yeah.
It's quite interesting because they make
Because
huge
Sarah was
stuff.
asking about it because she
Yeah.
hadn't seen this kind of construction.
Yeah, I like it. It's so clever, so light and so powerful.
Yeah, but it's very fragile. When it dries, it breaks easy, so it's,
Okay.
you have to be careful. But having said that, we have many pieces that are many years old.
And to bend it, do you wet it a bit or
You can do if you need to bend a lot, but usually,
like leather or something?
usually if you just do
You
this,
just yeah.
and then you can
Yeah,
have
okay,
you
yeah,
know
of course.
a good bend. But of course, if you go too far,
Yeah, it
it
breaks.
snaps.
Yeah,
You know, so
okay.
you just have to get used to where that is.
Another
Sometimes-
way to yeah.
Sometimes what Sue does is sticks it in the river,
Mm-hmm.
and then when it's all wet overnight, you put it over the barrel,
Yeah.
and then you with rope, and you let it dry like that.
Yeah.
And then
That's
so
the
it's got a
shape
nice
and-
curve.
Yeah.